Welcome back to Your Trace. Thanks so much for staying tuned to ET Now. Mayuresh, coming to you now, over the course of this week, even though it's been a truncated week, we've seen quite some regulations coming in. You've had the new regulations coming in for PSUs for their stock split, their dividend, their bonus issue, all of these coming in from SEBI. On the other hand, we've seen some revision coming in the F&O basket as well in terms of the stocks as well as the size revision also. So tell us, are you seeing any near-term impact coming in from both of these events? Do you think these could materialize into something significant as we head into trade next week?
I think if you probably look at the construct specifically for the PSU space as a whole, I think they should obviously lead to better times for investors as a whole. And the second aspect within the PSU universe itself, PSU banks as an example, excellent set of numbers. What they've probably delivered in terms of advances growth, they've got very, very sticky and a very solid deposit base. I think the deposit should grow at a decent pace for them as well. Asset quality pressures at an all-time low. You're probably seeing NIMs not coming off as expected. In fact, for a few banks, the NIMs have actually improved quarter on quarter. Provision coverage is quite large, and therefore I think any recoveries that probably happen come directly onto the bottom line. Valuations also not expensive, in fact, very, very attractive as we speak. And therefore EPS, RS rating, institutional holding, what we see in cancelling, probably in favor. Bank of Baroda, Bank of Maharashtra is something we continue holding in our global portfolios. Along with that, I think a lot of the defense meltdown that you see in PSU stocks, if the numbers start coming back, and in our opinion, they should by the end of stickiness in numbers at this juncture. But if they correct further, my own sense is that the risk reward probably becomes even attractive for the PSU. As a basket, I think the CPSE ETF, probably a good time for investors who have not invested to start having a sip done in that.
All right. Rajesh, we'll quickly come to you. Since we've spoken about many of the sectors which could see a good rebound from here also, and probably a more room for rebound on the index also, but give us a sense of specific trades also which you want to recommend to our viewers.
Three trades at this juncture, Priyanka. First one is from IT. Tech Mahindra is looking very bullish. The way stock managed to give breakout on daily, weekly time frame, I think here we could see furthermore upside in the coming week. Possible target towards 1815 we can see in Tech Mahindra. So again, a very strong setup. A long built up is there in data. So Tech Mahindra is buy with stop loss of 1700. Another stock is from the real estate space, that is Godrej Property. Stock is in uptrend since last 4-5 trading session. Despite market was going down, but this stock has already formed a base in the last week itself, and we have seen very strong rebound from the recent low. The way stock is showing strength on the near-term chart, stock is now holding about 20-day moving average. So Godrej Property can be looked at for buying side. Upside target we are projecting towards 2920. Keep your stop loss around 2815. And the third stock is Titan. After a significant correction, now stock is forming a bottom in the near-term basis. On the weekly chart, there is a strong reversal. We believe that Titan can extend its gain. Possible target towards 3440 we could see in near term. So Titan is buy with stop loss of 3265.
Specific trades are here. Rajesh is bullish on these particular trades. Viewers can note down of the targets as well as the stop loss.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.